I've got a table full of Craft Consortium for you. It is going to be a fun video today since I've got some amazing new lines to share with you. Some are restock, some are brand new. So we'll take a look at a little bit of everything because you might have missed some of these and some of these you might not even know are out. So let's go ahead and go through them together. Hi everyone, it's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com or Saks Crafts for short. Either one will take you to the exact same place. And some people prefer the shorter version of things. Some people is easier to just remember the fully spelled out name. So you could use either one, whichever is easiest for you. Anyway, let's get into what we're going to be showing today. Let's start with the center so we can kind of clear these big, beautiful 12 by 12s out of the way, and then we can focus on some of the smaller elements on the side. So Craft Consortium has got a new 12 by 12 and 6 by 6 line called Frosted Wood. And then we have restocks of some of our really popular ones that have sold out twice. So definitely needed to get some more in for you guys. If you missed it and you were waiting, guess what? They're in stock. Grab them before they go out again. All right, let's jump in. You ready? Where shall we start? They're all so pretty. Well, let's go ahead and start here. I always tend to start with the left-hand side. Don't know, feels natural. Which side do you normally start grabbing stuff from, the left or from the right? I'm not sure. Is there a preference? Probably, right? So this is Denim Textures. Denim's Textures is a beautiful collection. It's got, of course, as you can see from the name, all kinds of different denim. Lovely to use. It comes in two sizes, the 12 by 12 and the 6 by 6. The 12 by 12 is going to have 30 double-sided pages, and the 6 by 6 is going to have 40 double-sided pages. So it's the same 12 designs. It's just a matter of how many of those designs are you going to get. So let's go ahead and take a look at the small one. It fits better than the larger one on screen, but you'll know that they are exactly the same. So we'll do a super quick flip. You can see they're double-sided. They're going to have all kinds of different denim, beautiful backgrounds, card, journals. I mean, you can cover boxes with these and they're going to look like they're covered in fabric. So they are going to be absolutely fun. Or maybe even some jars. You can always grab your paper and bend. Okay, beautiful denim textures. The other one that is a restock is the rust textures, and you can see why it's probably very popular as well. It's got lovely rusty textures to it. Once again, the 12 by 12 is going to have 30 double-sided sheets, 20 different designs, and your 6 by 6 is going to have those 40 double-sided sheets, same 20 designs. Lots of gorgeous rust. Now, there is going to be a giveaway, so stay tuned and I'll give you the details on that. Then we've got the Brick Textures 2. And again, this is a restock, extremely popular, lots of great brick. We kind of got the concept that they have 30 sheets on the 12 by 12s and then 40 sheets on the 6 by 6, and they both have 20 different designs. And you can see how useful all of those are. They're just things that we need all the time. Now they have the frosted wood release. And once again, we've got 12 by 12, 6 by 6, the same concept, 30 sheets, double-sided sheets, or 40 double-sided sheets. But now we have wood that has been frosted. So really pretty for the upcoming winter season. I know we're just starting to get into, well, we're not really in fall. We're at the end of summer here. But before you know it, it'll be around the corner and it'll be great to have these at hand. Okay, beautiful frosted papers. Another thing that has come in is the vintage summer. I think I grabbed all the elements. I'm not 100% sure. If I missed some, you can always see the full collection in the online store. Um, and then, of course, make sure you snag yours before they are gone because this one is also going to be a very popular one. This one is called Vintage Summer. And it's all those beautiful botanicals and a lot of focus on hummingbirds, bees, and moths and butterflies. Some beautiful wild looking flowers. You're going to have in the 6 by 6 40 double-sided sheets, 20 different designs. So the same as all the other pads that we've seen. This is a really pretty, almost fabric looking background. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it almost feels, it looks textured. It's not, but it does look textured. Oh, I love that page. So pretty. These are great for belly bands and borders. Look at those super cute ladybugs and moths. Gorgeous botanicals and stunning wallpapers. Oh, I love those. Here they are as well. Larger or smaller, depending on what you're working on. I apologize. My voice is super hoarse. I didn't warm up before I started. I feel like I'm a singer. I am not. I'm just saying it's usually pretty hoarse early in the morning and the sun is not even out. It is still dark out. But you know, you have those days where you just want to jump right in, and I couldn't wait to show you some of these items. So I was super excited. And I figured, let's go. Haven't even had coffee. Ah, okay. After this, coffee. Beautiful rub-on transfers. Well, you look at these rub-ons. I love it. It's not AI. It is like gorgeous renderings, like wall, like somebody sat there and colored these by hand. How stunning are they? Oh my goodness, I am in love with those moths. And look at this one right here. Okay, so many great elements to look at. Love that whole hand drawn, hand painted feel to it. Then we've got two different stamps to this. Yes, I believe there are two. There might have been a third. Again, you can always look in the online store for all the other elements. Just type in vintage summer and it should come up. And if not, it'll also be under the Craft Consortium section because we also have um, them sorted by collections, by companies as well. So this one is a beautiful Be in the Moment stamp set. It's got your gorgeous bees, lots of bees everywhere, and then some beautiful wild flowers. Here it is. So you can see the size of it. This one we're looking at, in case you are wondering. Oh, not centimeters, inches. It's really early if I'm measuring in centimeters. It is almost 4 inches. So a lovely, lovely stamp set. And then there's a second one, which this one is says, even after darkest days, the morning brings the light. There you go. The sun is about to rise for me here in sunny Florida. So I'm sure it's going to be yet another beautiful day. Look at those hummingbirds. How great are they, huh? And then we've got beautiful florals. This one, for size reference, is going to be about 4 inches as well. Beautiful stamp set. And then we've got the lovely ephemera pack, 42 pieces of gorgeous ephemera. The artist is, let me see if I can pronounce that right, Belina. And no, I'm not going to be able to pronounce the last name. Maybe some of you can let me know in the comments if you know how to pronounce Kovalova. I hope I didn't butcher that. I am so sorry if I did, because your artwork is beautiful. And if you share the last name, let me know because maybe you do know how to pronounce it, of course. Um, So now we've got another something to show you. So these are, and they kind of really look beautiful with that. These are the gorgeous Caveira Grace fairies. We're going to have quite a few of them in the collection, which is really pretty. Again, if I missed any, they are available in the online store. They do all have names, and I'm trying to see if I can see the names. Oh, this one's called Brushing. It's really tiny writing, guys. It's kind of early. My eyes are not ready yet, but this one's called Brushing, and you can see a beautiful fairy. I mean, these have got to be hand-drawn artwork. They are lovely. Fairy brushing her hair. We've got one that is laying down. This one says sleeping. Then we've got the toads. Okay, that might be one of my favorites. Then we've got, I believe it says wilted. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. We've got garland. And you can look up at the up close photos of these in the online store a lot better than, of course, they show on camera. We've got flower, but these are exquisite. And then we've got tulip. Look at that. Oh. And then, of course, we also have the sentiments. It's called Fairy Sentiments. Spread your wings, fairies. Again, look at those fonts. Add a little sparkle, fly high, believe, and embrace the magic. Kind of funny because not planned at all, obviously. It's not like Craft Consortium was waiting for me to do a challenge. But in the Facebook group, we have an ongoing fairy challenge. So if you like fairies or if you like challenges, just a little push to create, make sure you go ahead and check out the Facebook group. It is Spectrum Art Creation Friends. Just add friends at the end. And what you do is you create anything with fairies. It doesn't matter what you create. I will try and leave a link in the description box. I hope I remember of the video explaining the challenge. Go check that out as well, or maybe I'll tag it at the end of this video. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. And just click on that video. It'll take you to that explanation of how the challenges work, how we pick the words. They're totally random, and they're a lot of fun because you can make whatever you want. It doesn't matter if you are a card maker, a tag maker, a scrapbooker, if you like 12 by 12 layouts, if you like making little clusters, whatever you want to do. If you're a DIYer and you want to cover a cup or a box, whatever works, fairies is the keyword for this month. Okay, and it just so happens that these release, so these would be perfect for that challenge. Okay, now, last but not least, we've got some restock and some new stamps. So some of these are restock because they are forever popular. I believe these two might be restocks. You've got 23 beautiful stamps in the set in my left-hand side, which has all the things that we love, right? You can see why it's so popular. My story, journal, end of story, laugh, journey, begin, chapter, family, holiday, best, travel, life, live. All of those really awesome words for adding on to our makes. Then, of course, the beautiful months of the year. More importantly, also, you've got the years going all the way up to 2029, which is really neat. So you've got quite a ways to go to use the stamp set. Of course, you're not limited to just those days. You could always supplement with the other dates or stamps or just handwrite what you have. But the fonts in these are really neat because they're like those typewritten fonts. See? Just like a typewriter. Very beautiful. So those two are back in stock and available. Excuse me. And then we've got these two I'm pretty sure are new. On this side we have 18 stamps, and these have all of those stamp seals and beautiful mailings that we love to do. Everything from first class to received. I love the Craft Consortium. Now, I've heard some people pronounce Craft Consortium as Craft Consortium, and I'm not sure if that's a British thing. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments. Do you pronounce it as Craft Consortium or do you pronounce it as Craft Consortium? Let me know. Postage, priority, airmail paid, and more. I love the little stamp. Do you see that? That one. Yeah, that's probably my favorite, although I like them all. And then we've got this gorgeous postcard. Oh, the magic you can make with this, right? This on anything would look amazing. It is let me grab my bigger ruler. It is a whopping 5.5 by 3 3/4 approximately of a beautiful postage stamp with text, stamps, cancel stamps, and all that fun. Okay, so let's talk really quick about the giveaway because, yeah, it's giveaway time. So I'm going to leave the information on the giveaway as well in the description box, and I'll probably pin a comment also in the comments down below, but very simple. If you go to the online store and you order any of these products when you check out, make sure you go ahead and type giveaway in the notes when you check out. But the other easy way to enter, and you can enter both ways, by the way, is to leave a comment down below and let me know, do you pronounce this as Craft Consortium or do you pronounce the company as Craft Consortium? And then, of course, let me know if you've heard it both ways. And maybe I'm right. Is one like more of a British pronunciation? One is more of a American pronunciation? I'm not sure. Let me know. Did you have a favorite? Let me know that as well, because you just might win something from that set. So I'm not sure, once again, if I'll do a giveaway for a gift card or if I'm going to do a giveaway for a product, and it could be some of this or it could be some other Craft Consortium product. You never know. And you just never know, but you will win something. How do you win? Leave a comment down below answering the questions. And then, of course, more importantly, you need to share this video out. And I always forget to remind people of that. We need a minimum of 50 um, people to comment down below. So you need to share this out so that we can get to those 50 comments. Now, once we reach those 50 and above, we'll do even more giveaways. So we can have 2, 3, 4 winners. So the more comments, the more winners, the better your odds. So it definitely is in your best interest to go ahead and share this video out with your crafty friends who might just love you for sharing all the brand new goodies. Okay, I am going to remind everyone that if you're not already subscribed to this channel, we certainly hope that you will go ahead and click on that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload new videos, because we do more. We do tutorials, we do classes, we do workshops, we do craft alongs, we do live sales, we do, of course, product shares, and tons more. So we certainly hope that you will join us here on the channel. Now, I'll leave those 2 videos here at the end, and I'll see you at one of those. You guys have a great day. Bye.